Do you sometimes have problem deciding on what color palette to use for your social media posts? Hejsan hej, I am PixelPia, and today I will show you some resources you can find in Canva to help you create and choose a color palette. So here we are at my Canva, but we are actually not gonna work in the studio. Instead, we are going up in the URL and writing after canva.com/color, and that will take us to this page. This is color tools and education about colors. And we will start with this one, color meaning. This page just show you a lot of colors, and let's pick one here. This is amber. If I click on that, it will take me to a page that explains everything about this color, what color it is, what it looks like, the history, and what it means, what it stands for, and how you can use it. If you really want to learn about color, you go to the color wheel here. Here you can read about color theory and the color wheel and different choices you have. Complementary colors, that is a color palette with just two colors on the opposite side of the color wheel. Monochromatic, analogous, triadic, tetradic, and then primary, secondary, and tertiary colors, what they are and what they stand for. So here you can learn a lot, but you can also play around with color. You can pick a color. And let's say, you know me, I'm usually liking the pink, so let's pick a pink here. I first pick my position on the color wheel. That is very pink, but then you see the second round circle here where I can drag this little point and make it lighter or darker. So let's say that I have found this is my color. I have the hex code right here, and then I can choose what type of palette. The first one shows the complementary. Here is my base color, and here is the complementary, if you see that little circle there. And if you click here, you can see exactly the hue, saturation, and luminance. And you can change that in here if you want to be very specific. Once again, it shows the hex numbers for this color. And on the other side is the complementary. I can go down where it says complementary. If I click there, I can choose monochromatic, analogous, triadic, and here we have the triangle. There is my base color, and there is the other two. And tetradic, the four colors evenly spaced. And from here I can, if I have found my color palette I want to use, I can export the palette as a PDF and download it to my computer, or I can create a graphic. If I do click on that, it will open templates here that have used these three colors. Let's take a look at color palette and color palette ideas. Here I can type a color, a theme, or a keyword. I want to do something that has to do with mountains. All of these color palettes show up that has something to do with mountains. The last one that I think you will really find useful is the color generator. Let's say that you have a specific photo. You can upload it here and get the colors from that photo, or you can try the demo image here. Every time I click on try demo image, it shows a different photo and the color palette underneath. But let's try and upload an image, and let's see here, and let's say that I want to use this. Here I get a color palette of 4 colors. I see the name and the hex color. So if you ever have problems with finding the right colors or knowing how to put them together, this is a great resource. I hope this helped you in your creation of social media posts. In my next video, I will focus on how you can create your own brand kit in Canva Pro. Hej då!